Hey friends, I want to spend a few minutes talking to you about how you can use Google Maps in your classroom. Now, I'll bet you're using Google Maps to plan trips and to figure out where different locations are. But have you thought about using it in your classroom with students to explore the world? There's lots of possibilities here. So, we're going to start by accessing Google Maps. So, you're either going to type maps.google.com into your URL bar or Omnibox in Chrome, or you can use the waffle at the top right-hand side, go down to the More at the bottom of the box, and you'll see the icon for Maps. Either way, it gets you to the same place. So let's pretend like we're studying Egyptian culture and we want to explore the Great Pyramids of Giza. You're going to take and put your cursor up in that left-hand side box that says Search Google Maps, and you're going to type in the location. So Great Pyramid of Giza. And as I type, I'm seeing an option there that I can just select after it autofilled, and here I am. So I've got a panel on the left-hand side that's giving me some information. I'm also getting to see some Egyptian writing in that panel, which is really great. And then on the right-hand side, I'm seeing a map of the location. So I can put my cursor and move that up and down to rearrange what it looks like in my screen. So I can see the Great Pyramid in about the middle of my screen. Down below, I see another pyramid. There's a few pyramids out to the side. And if I come down to the bottom, I can also see where the Sphinx is sitting in location to these other things. Now, as I hover over, I can see a little bit more information. So if I wanted to learn more about the Great Sphinx, I could click its name. And notice the panel on the left-hand side has changed to now the information is about the Great Sphinx of Giza. And in this panel of information, I can scroll down and find out if I wanted to visit some information. But I also come to this where it says Photos. So if I click 201 plus photos, this is an opportunity for me to explore while looking at pictures with my students. So this is a great picture at the top. I can see some of the outline of the face, really great features, but if I compare it to the one underneath, the one that's full screen, I can really see the deterioration of that site. I can scroll through the pictures on the left-hand side and find one that's even closer to the face and click it, and it becomes the image on my screen. So this is an easy way to get to pictures that are associated with a location. The picture above this one on that left-hand side, which is awesome, is a picture showing the pyramids and the Sphinx, so you can kind of see them in relation to one another. Now, these are great pictures to explore with your students. They might be really great prompts for writing. Great way to look at where different historical events happened, what significance they may have to history, maybe explore the setting of a book that you're reading, but lots of possibilities with this. Now, when I'm done with the pictures, I can just use that arrow and go back and be dropped on my map. Now, this map is, remember, it's a map. So if I want to see things in relation to each other, that's the view I'm seeing. But if I want to see what this space really looks like, I can use the box in the middle of the bottom that says satellite and be transferred to what the space looks like if I was in space looking at it from a satellite. And so as I move over, you'll notice that it's harder to see the outline of some of these things. So because everything is monochromatic in color, but I can see how sandy it is. I can see the outline of the pyramid. I can be looking at it from space in a different perspective. So I hope you found this helpful, how to find something on Google Maps, how to find some pictures, and how to look at the satellite view of what you're seeing on your map. I hope you found this helpful. Have a great day.